Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Forutech. So this is the Google's Now Playing feature exclusive for the Pixel devices, now ported to any device which is rooted or non-rooted. Now Playing helps to detect any song which is playing around you, or you can manually find out the song by using your vocals if you can't remember the song. This is rooted method I am showing here. Actually I tried hard to use the non-rooted method but it not worked. So once I get successful to activate it by non-root method, I will post another video. Though if you have the root access, activation is very tricky, so watch the video till the end to enable this without issues. Now we will start such mod series videos for all the devices which will be regularly uploaded on our channel. So if you think this will help you, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Now without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Ambient Music application and install it as a normal APK. Once you open the application, tap on Get Started. App will tell you to download the another application called as the Shizuku. It's a companion application to be used for the Ambient Music application. Install the application, open it. On the top here at the first, it will tell you Shizuku is not running. So to activate, you can use the root and the non-root method. Non-root wireless debug method is the lengthy process and the full instruction are given to activate it with all the picture guide in the installation section. As I told in the intro, I tried hard to enable this, but even after accurate procedure, it's not work for me. You can follow these guidelines and let me know if you are able to activate it. For now, I will use the root method. Just tap on the Start tab available under the rooted devices section. You will get the root access prompt, accept it. Now you will see the Shizuku is running message at the top of the application. If you go back in the Ambient Music Mod application, app will ask you to give the prompts to give the permission that it required to work. Now in the data uses prompt, disable both the Wi-Fi and the required charging toggle and then tap on the next. Select your country. Now app will download Now Playing data which is around 400 MB. So wait for a few minutes as per your data speed. Once you get the download complete message, then tap on the Start Install. App will install the new Now Playing application in the device. Now grant all the permission and you get the setup complete message. First go to the Play Store and update your Google application and go back to the Ambient Music app again. In the app you will get the bunch of the setting. First we will see all these settings. Watch the video till the end because Now Playing will not work until now because you need to enable the special setting which I will show you after the exploration of the setting of Now Playing application. You will get the first toggle to identify the songs playing nearby you. Enable it first. By using the notification tab, you can enable or disable the persistent notification of Ambient Music application in the status bar. In the lock screen option, you can enable the lock screen notification of Now Playing, but it's not working on the AOD, it's only visible on the lock screen. For this you need to give the accessibility permission to the application. Now we will get the another new option like the Now Playing animations similar to the pixel look or the classic look. You can change the position of Now Playing icon on the AOD display, but it's not visible on the AOD screen. You can set the tap action for the Now Playing on the lock screen like it will open the Google search or Now Playing history or will do nothing. You can change the overlay text color of the Now Playing text also. There are two tabs at the bottom of the setting. One is the Now Playing setting and the another one is the updates. In the updates you can see the offline music database is downloading. It will take few hours to download the data. Below it you will get the Ambient Music Mod version and the Now Playing versions. Here you get the OT updates also. If any new version will available, you can directly download and install the OT updates also. Let's get back to the Now Playing setting. Here below the lock screen setting, you get the Now Playing history tab, which is buggy because it's causing the force close of application when you try to tap on it. In the settings tab, you can set the song recognition period and the recognition buffer timing for the 30 second, 1, 2, 3 or 5 minutes. Rest are the general features. Now it comes the important part to make the Now Playing actually work. That option is available in the Advanced tab. Here you get the audio recording gain setting, but keep it at the default setting, don't change it. Use the alternative encoding. This toggle must be enabled. It's disabled by default, so enable it. Then only your device will recognize the nearby songs. All the things are set now. Let's do the test to check Now Playing is working or not. At the bottom you get the Now Playing tab to manually search the songs if you want. So let's start. I played a song on my another handset and then tapped on the now playing button. Now immediately now playing detected the song. Again I searched for the another song and it detected the song correctly. Along with the song recognition, we get the three options like the Ask Google, YouTube Music Search and the playback. If you tap on the playback, we get the recording of the last song searched by the now playing application. Ask Google tab shows us the results searched by the Google Assistant, and the YouTube Music app shows us the results in the YouTube Music application. So let's check how the ambient music now playing will work by the default on the lock screen. As I already told you, now playing notification not visible for me on the always on display, but it's visible on the lock screen at the position that we set it in the setting. When I tap on it, it opens the Google search results for the song. So I played the different music audios and it's recognized the song accurately every time. Just one thing you need to do: if you guess the another song nearby you, then first unlock the phone and then lock it again to properly detect the song. In the notification panel, you get the Ambient Music Mod persistent notification with the newly searched song by the now playing application. You can disable the notification after tapping on the notification by enabling the silent toggle. You can add the song as a favorite song by tapping on the heart icon. So here is a live demo how the now playing detects the song. I played one YouTube song on my OnePlus One, placed it nearby the OnePlus Nord 2 on which I enabled the now playing feature. In the notification panel, you can see it's detected the song automatically with the great accuracy. So finally we got the one of the best mod in the form of the Ambient Music Mod now playing feature. In the upcoming days, I will create the new videos for such amazing mods for the rooted and non-rooted devices. So stay tuned. Till now, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.